Guys, I found it. I found out the secret, guys. I found out the secret that a lot of people doesn't know about. And this setting will make your channel to become more visible, and YouTube will start pushing out your videos. And if this setting is not toggled on in your desktop, you rush now and set it on. So if this setting is not toggled on, it will show that your account is not verified. And when your account is not verified, YouTube can't trust you. And when YouTube can't trust you, your videos won't be pushed out to the public. So guys, I won't bring to you what I've actually not practicalized. So this feature I'm about to show you now is tested and trusted. I've actually practicalized it and found out that it's really working. So if you're a lover of YouTube growth, this video is for you. And if you are seeing this video for the first time, my name is Amaka. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you and you're welcome. Alright guys, if this is what you want to know, let's dive into it. First place we are going to go is youtube.com/verified. You first of all check if your account is verified. Just type youtube.com/verify and check whether your account has been verified. So if your account is not verified, there are certain features that won't be enabled to you. And when this feature is not enabled to you, your videos won't be pushed out. Follow me again. Let me show you another features that need to be turned on. So guys, you head over to your YouTube studio again and click on settings. When you click on settings, then it will bring out all this. You will see general, you will see channel, you will see upload default, you see permission, community, promotion and so forth. You click on channel, and when you click on channel, you get to see basic info, advanced setting, feature eligibility. Then you go back to your basic info and make sure you put your country of residence. Mine is in Nigeria, so is Nigeria that is country of my country of residence. Then you head over to your keywords. You make sure you put keyword that is related to your niche. Then you go over to advanced settings. Make sure your video is not meant for kids. Toggle it on to not meant for kids. Then you head over to feature eligibility. Here you will see standard feature, intermediate features, advanced features. Make sure all these features are enabled in your YouTube studio. And here, when you click on advanced features, you will see like video uploads, playlist creators, add collaborators to playlists, and so forth and so on. Make sure all these things are enabled. And when you click on intermediate features too, it will bring out so many features for you. You will see all those features. Likewise, when you click on advanced features, it will bring out so many features for you. So guys, make sure all these features are turned on so that YouTube will push out your videos. Guys, you need to head over to your upload defaults again and click on it, and it will show you basic info, which you need to put your permanent description and go over to advanced settings. When you go to advanced settings, you scroll down and turn your comments on. You turn your comments on. Some of them, when you click on it, you will see turned off. Turn it on. So guys, make sure all these settings is being turned on your YouTube studio now. And you know, when you turn all this is being enabled, YouTube will be recommending your videos. And you know, when YouTube recommend your video, you tend to be getting more views, and you get more views, you tend to get more subscribers. So if you like this video and find it helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and also share to the people out there, and click on the notification button to be notified each time I upload. Thank you. Bye.